What's going on, everybody? We're out here at Costco in Vallejo, California, Solano County, doing some seal coat, crack fill, restriping. We've been pushing out a lot more into Solano County recently, up towards Fairfield, Vacaville. We like to work with different communities and set up plans with them to help them have proper asphalt maintenance. We're doing everything safely, correctly, to ensure the longevity of what we do and the community. I mean, a lot of stuff happens out there where you don't have properly maintained streets, trip hazards all over the place. These are things that are important to us that we actually care about. We're doing everything we can in our work to make sure that when we do something, it's done right the first time and it lasts. I like to look at every job as if it were my own. I want to make sure that I'm doing it right the first time so that I don't have to come back and fix it a few years down the road. We've been in business around 34 years. Our name shows. Everybody's seen our trucks around, they've seen us work, they know how we operate. The track record shows that throughout our different properties that we do throughout the Bay Area. Reputation, word of mouth, and referrals is the name of the game. We're the best paving company in the Bay Area. That's all there is to it. My name's Alex Christianson. I'm an estimator with American Asphalt out in the Solano County area. I got to get back to work now and make sure that we get this parking lot open before Costco opens.